Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by a painful leg cramp? That sudden tightening, that sharp pull in your calf or foot that makes you freeze and gasp. It's one of the most common complaints among seniors. And yet, few people realize what truly causes it, and even fewer know that nature already gave us simple foods that can stop it for good. Today, you'll discover 3 natural, science-backed foods that relax your muscles, improve blood flow, and prevent painful leg cramps naturally. No pills. No chemicals. Just healing foods that work from the inside out. Stay until the end, because the 3rd food might be the key your body has been missing all along. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Culve, where we bring you weekly videos to help you heal naturally, age gracefully, and live stronger every single day. Before we talk about the foods, let's understand what's really happening inside your body when those cramps strike. When you feel a muscle suddenly tighten, it's often a sign that your body is running low on essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals act as tiny electrical messengers, helping your muscles contract and relax smoothly. But as we age, our bodies absorb fewer minerals from food. Add dehydration, certain medications, or lack of circulation, and you get the perfect storm for muscle cramps. The result is painful spasms that can last from seconds to minutes and leave you sore for hours afterward. But here's the good news: nature can help restore what your body has lost. Let's begin with the first food. The first food is bananas, the natural muscle relaxer. This humble fruit is more than just a quick snack. It's nature's very own muscle relaxer. Research reveals that bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which are essential for healthy muscle function. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that older adults who ate potassium-rich foods daily had significantly fewer leg cramps than those who didn't. When your potassium levels are low, your muscles misfire, sending confused signals that cause painful spasms. But when your potassium is balanced, your muscles contract and release smoothly. Bananas also contain magnesium, which relaxes the nervous system and prevents overstimulation of muscle fibers. It's the reason many athletes eat bananas before or after training. They know how fast it helps calm the muscles. You don't need to overthink it. 1 ripe banana in the morning or evening is enough. You can blend it into a smoothie, slice it over oatmeal, or eat it as is. For an extra boost, mash 1 banana, add a spoon of Greek yogurt, and a dash of cinnamon. It's not just delicious, it's medicine in a bowl. If you often wake up with stiff or twitching legs, start with this one small change. Within days, you may notice your nights becoming more peaceful and your mornings more energetic. The second food is spinach, the green shield against cramps. Spinach is often called a super green for good reason. It's one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, calcium, and iron, all essential for preventing cramps and keeping your legs strong. According to a 2020 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, people who consumed magnesium-rich greens like spinach had 40% fewer muscle cramps than those who didn't. Magnesium is the mineral that allows muscles to relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense, like a clenched fist that refuses to open. Magnesium also plays a vital role in circulation. It relaxes blood vessels, improves oxygen delivery, and prevents the buildup of lactic acid, a common trigger of night cramps. Imagine this. Instead of waking up with pain, you wake up feeling light, balanced, and free to move. That's what a magnesium-rich diet can do for you. Lightly steam spinach, add a few drops of olive oil and garlic, or toss it into soups and stews. Cooking spinach slightly helps your body absorb its minerals better. You can also blend it into green smoothies with banana and avocado for a triple anti-cramp combo. Spinach isn't just a vegetable. It's a shield protecting your legs from the pain that once stole your comfort. Now for the third food, avocado, the king of electrolytes. Creamy, rich, and delicious, but don't be fooled. This fruit is more than healthy fat. It's a complete electrolyte replenishing food. Studies from the Nutrients Journal in 2021 revealed that avocados help improve electrolyte balance, muscle recovery, and nervous system function. Each avocado is packed with potassium and magnesium, the very minerals your muscles need to contract and relax properly. Think of your muscles as engines. They need the right oil to function smoothly. Without enough electrolytes, the engine seizes up, and you feel it as a cramp. Avocados restore that oil. If you often feel your legs tingling, weak, or twitching, your body might be screaming for more electrolytes. Half an avocado a day can make a world of difference. Mash it on whole grain toast, blend it with banana for a creamy smoothie, or mix it into a salad with lemon juice. Even a spoonful of avocado before bed can help your muscles relax overnight. Avocados also support heart health and circulation, two factors that directly affect muscle comfort and strength. Better blood flow means less stiffness, less cramping, and more energy. Many seniors unknowingly make their cramps worse through the foods they eat every single day. The biggest culprits? Processed foods loaded with salt, caffeine, alcohol, and refined sugar. They don't just rob your body of magnesium and potassium, they silently drain the very minerals your muscles depend on to stay relaxed. According to a Harvard Health study, seniors who reduced processed food intake and simply drank more water every day experienced far fewer nighttime cramps within just 2 weeks. That's not magic. That's the power of giving your body what it actually needs: balance, hydration, and nourishment. You see, your body doesn't need more pills or quick fixes. It needs fewer toxins and more love through the foods you choose. Every time you reach for that sugary snack or soda, just pause and remember, that moment of craving might be what's keeping you in pain. Your body is whispering for healing. You just have to listen. Here's how to put everything into practice starting right now. Begin your morning with a banana and a glass of warm water to wake up your muscles gently. At lunch, add a handful of spinach, whether in soup, stew, or salad, to refill your magnesium stores naturally. In the evening, enjoy half an avocado with a sprinkle of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Drink enough water throughout the day, stretch lightly before bedtime, and watch as your legs slowly regain their strength, flexibility, and calm. Because here's the truth, you were never meant to live in pain. Your legs carry the story of your life, every step, every journey, every place your heart wanted to go. They deserve comfort, care, and healing. And you deserve to feel free again. If this message spoke to your heart, let me know in the comments. Type, "Healing starts today," to remind yourself and others that true healing begins with one simple choice. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Natural Healing Culve, and share it with someone you care about, a friend, a parent, or a loved one who struggles with cramps. Together, we can bring natural healing back to every home, one video at a time.